This is Kilo, and I just have a couple of updates for the channel, all of which are positive. I just got back from my trip up north, so I haven't had time to kind of go through too many comments today. I just responded to some of you guys, just what I saw from when I came in, and I just wanted to update you guys on a couple of cool things that have happened. So, some of you guys have seen that I was dealing with a troll problem on the channel last night, fairly late at night, but last night, Mayhem reached out to me on my Etsy store and said that he wanted to apologize. He's going to remove all the bots from disliking all of my videos. And in good faith, he apologized and said that he's removing comments that he made about my channel and myself. And in return, all he wanted was me to kind of clear up any issue that I had with him. That way we both can go our separate ways and continue making our content and doing what we love. So we both agreed that the issue started over something extremely petty and that it's not worth, continuing to attack someone's channel for. So he, in good faith, he took everything off. He's slowly getting rid of the bots. The dislikes and stuff have already been falling off. So I'm not even mad. If anything, all that it did was help my channel. He also agreed. If anything, it just benefited the channel by putting more eyes on it. So I have no issues with him as of this point. I accept his apology. He accepted my apology. We agreed. We both said some things that were, just mean, just overall just petty and mean to each other. And we want to go back to just focusing on locks, teaching, making keys, doing what we do. So for my side, for those of you who've been following, all that I ask is that we just start clean today and we just start a clean slate and we no longer, treat anybody differently. He's going to go back to making his content, and I hope you guys are supportive of it. I don't want you guys to attack him for what he did. I accept his apology. So I wanted to clear this up as he did ask me, because I did make the troll video, if I could do something about it, to just let you guys know that there was, a compromise and we squashed any beef between the two channels. So if you're watching this, Mayhem and we're on good terms now. And, we're going to just go, start clean, pretend it never happened, and just move forward. Because people can say things when they're mad, out of anger. Everybody's done it. I'm not innocent in it. In my life, I've said some things that I regret that I've said to people when I got mad. So I get it. I can accept an apology, as I wish somebody would accept mine if I said something out of anger in a moment. You should never hold something against somebody that they say in the heat of a moment. It can escalate very quickly, and it can just get really ugly. So I just wanted to clear that up. Mayhem's gonna go back to making his content. Please, don't attack or keep this going. I just want everybody to get along. Both of us have agreed that the Locksport community needs to get along. It's small in numbers, so having two people, go back and forth on something petty isn't worth it. So just to reiterate, we are on good terms. Mayhem and myself, we are, we're not going to bother each other. If we disagree with each other, we're just going to kind of move along with our lives. And we're not going to, start anything. So as of now, we are good. So anybody who has concerns about that, I know some of you guys with more followers have talked about it on your channels. Just to update you guys, I don't want this to carry on any further than this video. So with that said, I also have one other update. A lot of you guys have been asking if I can make stickers. So the first stickers will be available pretty soon. I have a sticker that I'm kind of designing for the channel, and they will be included for free in every purchase on our Etsy shop, as well as if you donate to the channel. If you want to, you can shoot us an email and I will send you one for free, as a thank you. If you guys want a sticker, I will be sending them out. That was actually a really big question so far in almost all of the orders on our Etsy page. We're up to 10. Everybody has asked if I had stickers that I could give out, and I am working on those currently. They should be ready pretty soon, and once they're there, I will let you guys know, and then they will be added with future purchases on the Etsy store. I'm just not sure when they'll arrive and they'll be ready. So, but when they are, I will update you guys again on the channel, and they will be free. I'm not going to charge for them. They will be included with orders, donations. If you guys do want one, you guys can go ahead and email me, and I can work something out to get you guys some stickers. So, just wanted to update you guys on that. Again, thank you guys for purchases on the Etsy shop. The Etsy page is not in any way a way for me to like pay my bills or pay my rent. All of the money from that page goes to this channel. It's a way because some people ask me for a donation link to say thank you or to help contribute to the channel. The Etsy page is kind of my way of saying here's something in return for those donations. Instead of, if you guys don't want to just donate, it's a way that you guys can still help the channel, but you guys also receive something back. So honestly, I don't use the money or the funds for anything other than to put back into the channel. It'll go towards future giveaways. It'll go towards, a better setup here and more projects that I can work on and show you guys. It gives me more time to spend on the channel as well. So just that's the whole purpose behind the shop, is some of you guys have asked and some things were said. So that's all that the Etsy shop is there for. I'm not here to be anybody's competition. I did not really even know other YouTubers sell sets of keys on Etsy until I made the Etsy. So I'm not on there trying to be competition. Some of you guys who do sell keys, you guys let me know, and you guys are actually supportive of the channel, and you comment off and on here and there, and you guys don't have issues with it. But if anybody does, it's not there. I'm not there to be competitive. It's just there as a thank you, as a way to give back to anyone who wants to give to the channel. So thank you guys. Just wanted to update you guys on that. Hope you guys are staying safe, and I hope you guys have a nice day.